Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about the eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. First of all, we are seeing what is microorganism. Microorganism, it is a tiny living organism which are found in all around us. It is a very small in case which is does not seen with the naked eye. There are two types of microorganisms: cellular microorganism and acellular microorganism. In acellular microorganism, the cell wall is not developed, and the example of a cellular microorganism is a virus. And cellular microorganism, in the cellular microorganism, the cell wall is well developed. There are two types of cellular microorganism. First, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell is a unicellular and it does not contain cell organelles. The size of prokaryotic cell is smaller as compared to the eukaryotic cell. The ribosomes are present in a prokaryotic cell is smaller. The ribosomes are present in a prokaryotic cell is a 17 ribosomes. In prokaryotic cell, the growth rate or generation phase of an prokaryotic organism is faster as compared to the eukaryotic organism. The DNA replication in prokaryotic organisms is in a cytoplasm. The DNA present in prokaryotic organisms is double-stranded DNA, circular. In prokaryotic organism, a sexual type of reproduction is occurs. The common examples of the prokaryotic organism is a bacteria and archaea. Another type of the cellular cell is a eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, it is a multicellular and it contains all types of cell organelles. It is a larger in size as compared to the prokaryotic cell. The ribosomes present in eukaryotic cell, it is a larger than the prokaryotic cell. The ribosomes present in eukaryotic cell is a 18 years. Growth rate or generation time of eukaryotic cell is larger as compared to the prokaryotic cell. The DNA present in eukaryotic cell, it is a linear. The DNA replicate in eukaryotic cell is in a nucleus. The reproduction occurs in a eukaryotic cell is a sexual type. And the common examples of the eukaryotic cell is yeast, plant cell or animal cell. Thank you.